GT2000 Boiler Tube Cleaning Machine Installation Tutorial. Step 1. Uncoil the flexible shaft and connect the drive end of the shaft to the main unit's drive mechanism. Step 2. Connect the water hose from the water source to the flexible shaft inlet. Step 3. Connect the 3-phase power supply, one end to the main unit's power inlet, the other to the electrical panel. Open the storage box and take out the required cutter head. Step 4. Install the drill bit. Select the appropriate bit for the pipe. Step 5. Turn on the power switch. Press the emergency stop button. Adjust the drill bit speed: left, low, middle, stop, right, high. Manual or remote dual control. Select remote mode. Adjust speed. Start with the remote control. Tip: pull up the two latches together to release and lower the pull rod. Hang the shaft